Hi everybody, this is Ben from Seattle Garden and Fruit Adventures, and I just want to show you something really quickly here. This is my garden bed, so it looks like one of these right over there. It's pretty wild. Today is October, what's today? October 9th? October 10th? October 9th, sorry. And usually by now, most of the vegetables and green leaf plants have already died off. Or not died off, but gone dormant, and the leaves would be falling off and whatnot. But I found a pretty cool surprise here. So, when I get fig cuttings, I get these end tips that I don't know what to do with them. A lot of times, I ended up throwing it away, but this time around I tried rooting them straight in the ground by just plugging it straight into the garden bed, and it's worked, surprisingly. So these guys, I think I put into the ground about 2 months ago, and if you take a look here, that has leaves, and these are just planted straight into the ground. This one is budding. Look at that. Right? This one has leaves, this one has leaves, this one is growing buds right here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So rooting figs is super easy. Super easy. Sometimes we make it too complicated. And if you just let nature do its thing, you'll get some success out of it. So this is kind of a nice surprise. I've got others here that appear to be doing pretty well. I mean, they don't appear to be rotted. They don't appear to be overly dry. Here's another one. I kind of plugged this one horizontally into the ground, and it's got some nice leaves coming out of that. I think I have some other ones that I planted over here as well. Skip by the leeks. These guys right here, they don't show too much progress, but oh well, Swiss chard. I'm planting all these vegetables and I honestly don't even know. I don't have the time to eat them all. This one looks like it's dying. This one seems to be kind of wiggly here. Might not be okay, but yeah, I've got some more that plugged into the dirt here. These garden beds usually have tomatoes and kale and eggplant, chili pepper, peas, all sorts of stuff. But I figure this year I'd just plug in some root cuttings or fig cuttings to see if they root, and apparently it's working. You see this guy right here? That's actually a giant Desert King branch that broke off of my neighbor's tree. They asked if I wanted it. I was like, sure, I'll take it. Plugged into the ground. I don't think it'll survive, but you never know. We'll see. And if you want to see how the size of this thing, this is my thumb compared next to it. So it's like a 2-inch caliber. Alrighty guys, see you next time.